Hello people, I'm going to the kitchen. Me and my corn plant behind me, a plant in the bucket. I'm in the kitchen, I'm not in the field. I have already brought some things for our video. This thing is a plant. I guess you could see my balloons, but I'm going to speak about the plant. It is a corn plant, and this part is called tassel. This one is called tassel, and those are leaves. Here is a stem, and here is a cob. Sometimes it is called ear. I mean, when I put some corn seeds in the soil, I wanted to have some fruits for corn. They are called ears or cobs. I wanted to have such things, but I mean two of them. But I have nothing. There are 5 more experimental plants, but they are always tassels, and there are no cobs, there are no ears. So I bought them just to make a video. And one moment, and we will study more about the corn. They are called silks. Being an expert of the corn, I should say planting was not so good because the rows are not straight, and the kernels, those small things, are called kernels, the name of the corn seeds. They are not straight, and this part is empty. And again, I should say that this part is called silk. I decided to explain one more important part about the corn plant. I damaged another plant to show the roots. I will clean them a bit to see them better. I washed them, and I could see that the roots are rather small. I guess it is because of no space in my bucket. It should be much bigger. Thanks for watching me till the end.